Alright guys, welcome back to Cookie's Crib. I'm Cookie. We're going to do a TruGreen update today, but I'm thinking about going for a ride instead because there's nothing to bitch about this session. So we're just going to walk around and let you see how pretty it is. Kind of looks like a golf course right now, so I'll let you be the judge of that. But as you can see, that's where we normally start. But we're going to go up here where we normally run first, and you can see everything looks really good. No weeds. Dogs are barking like crazy. Here's what I can't understand. I don't know if you can see this, but it looks like that the worms like to commit suicide in my driveway. They must not be good eating worms because the birds don't like them. I've got all kinds of birds, finches, sparrows, you name it, I've got them. Blackbird, blue jays. I like to feed the finches a lot of thistle seed. I like the pretty blue and the yellow birds that come around. But as you can see, I've got flowers trying to pop out, and the spots that I worked on are coming through really good. I haven't got out here and worked on my bare spots yet, but I can still do that. It's no big deal. But here's what I can't figure out. I just mowed the yard. How'd I miss that one damn blade? Looks like a couple. But anyway, looks like I need to sharpen the blade maybe. I might have to play some music in here. I don't know, because they must just say yard looks beautiful. TruGreen came, I guess, last week. Don't know when they'll be back. They've got it looking good. I'm having to mow just about every 3 days, which I don't mind. Yard's not really that big. It's like 120 by 85. Can you hear all the birds? I'll stop. You're welcome. No, I didn't put any sound effects in there. Not like I'd do something for a lightning storm. Did it work? But anyway, this yard looks really good. Not what, can't even spit my words out. I don't have one thing to say bad. TruGreen's keeping their end of the deal. Makes me feel good. It looks, I got it down there to golf course level. It's at a 3.5. It felt today like I had dropped it down to like a 2 because the yard is thickening up, and it was just looking so thick that I thought I had lowered my deck by accident. I mean, just take a gander at that. It's looking really pretty. I wish you could see the lights I put up on the house. You can't see them. They're underneath the vinyl siding rope lights. They come on a timer system I've got set up. Got a lot of children that like to play in the backyards back here, so we like it to be lit up for their safety. But when they come on, I don't know, I might try to put a picture up here, but you know, you can't take a picture of lights and expect it to look really pretty, and I'm no photographer. So, but I guess with that being said, it's about time to call this video over with. I could use your subscribership if you're just now visiting the channel. I've got like 97% of the people that visit my channel don't subscribe. Well, I'm trying to be the next YouTube millionaire, so help a brother out. But I do appreciate that you watched the video this far, if you made it this far. And I guess we're going to sign off, call this video done. Just remember, it's not a blade of grass, it's a damn weed. Y'all have a good night. We'll catch you later.